Hello, welcome to Career Services tutorial on how to go ahead and do an occupation search and research careers using Ohio Means Jobs. You're going to go ahead and type in Ohio Means Jobs. Literally, it's the only thing that comes up. Click on Ohio Means Jobs. From there, this is their main website. You want to go ahead and click on For Students, and then click on Learn About Career Types. Here you can go ahead and find out information about career pathways, what we're going to do here today, which is the occupation search, and more about the value of apprenticeships. So for occupation search, we're going to click right here. This is what you want to work with, is right down here is the occupation search. This up here, if you type in here, you're going to be taken to looking for jobs or internships based on keywords, job titles. So we're going to focus right down here in the occupation search section. You can go ahead and search by industry. So we can search in construction, click go. From here, you want to go ahead and click the View All button. You're able to look at some basic information about the career pathway. There you can click to be able to look at the career pathway for construction. Here you can click on labor market information in this area. And you can also view a construction management video. For industry careers, a list of careers, you can click here. This is where you can see in construction the in-demand careers. The thumbs up means that it's growing fast and growing faster than average. You're also able to look at the salary range and the projected number of openings, 1,780 for operating engineers and other construction equipment operators. You can click on that career and click the View All button so that you can look at, here it shows you the different related careers, the industry. You can look at the work activities, what they do in that job. Can you see yourself doing those different tasks? You can look at the pay. You're able to look at the skills needed, the abilities needed, the typical hourly wage, the projected number of openings, 1,800 within the next year, typical education, and look at a career video. So that's one way to research occupations. I'm going to go ahead and click the back button at the very top to go back 2 spaces or 3 screens before to take us back to our original screen. You can also search by education level. So we can go ahead and search by bachelor's degree or associate's degree and click go. Here you're able to look at growing occupations that you can get into with just an associate's degree. You can look at the names, the salary range, and the projected number of openings. So if we click here, again, clicking that View All button will allow you to look at all the information about the work activities, the tasks, and what someone has to do to get into that career. And here there's a career video. Again, we're going to go back, scroll back up, go back a screen and another screen so that you can see all the different ways you can research occupations. You can also type in a keyword search. So I've typed in electrical engineer and I'm going to click go. And then you're able to look at all the different types of engineering, but at the very top is electrical engineer. And we can look at what they make and the projected openings and click here to be able to again view the same information. So you can also look at salary range, research careers by salary range. So if you're looking for a specific salary range and wanting to know what types of careers that you can get into that make within that salary range, you can sort by that. So this is how you can go ahead and use Ohio Means Jobs to research occupations and careers of interest. If there's something that you're not too sure and you want to be able to find on this website at Ohio Means Jobs, because there's a lot of information here, you can click on the chat line, click on the chat button. Here, this will pop up during the day. I'm working on this video after 5 p.m., but during the day, you can go ahead and click on the chat line and that you'll be able to chat with a live person and get your answer right away so that you know how to navigate and find that information that you want to find through Ohio Means Jobs. So I'm hoping that this video was helpful in helping you look at how you can navigate Ohio Means Jobs to research occupations and careers. Have a great day.